Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Gerbera daisies. They're so cute. You could do them in so many different colors, and I love how realistic they look, and they are not as hard to assemble as you would think. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today we are making these beautiful Gerbera daisies. They are really easy to do, and if you are a member of my VIP Crafters Club, you received the cut file for this with your May 2022 cut files every month. We have brand new cut files, brand new projects, and a lot of fun stuff that I give out, that I send out every single month. And so if you are one of my members, you got this along with a lot of other fun goodies. So I'm going to show you guys today how I put this together. So these are all the pieces that I've cut out. And so what you want to do is you want to take these two sort of center, or these two main large flowers here. And then I'm going to use this is like a bone folder, but you can use like a popsicle stick or something like that. Or you can even use your fingers. And I'm going to go ahead and curl these petals outward, just like as if you're curling ribbon. I'm gonna go ahead and curl all of those. I'm gonna do the same for number 2. And then what I'm going to do after that, also I have my hot glue gun heating up here as well. Okay, so once I have these all curled outward, I'm going to fold each petal inward, and it just gives it that like kind of daisy look. And when you open that up, it kind of creates this natural circle right here. And do the same thing with this side. It gives it a little volume, a little lift there in those petals. Okay. Then once I am done folding these all back in, and I kind of bring them back out again. And then I'm going to glue these two pieces together. And when I glue them together, I want to sort of make it so that the petals are sort of offset from the previous layer. So they're kind of, their little heads are peeking through. They can kind of see their little faces are peeking through there. Okay, so there we go. So that's the main part. And then we've got to get the center. So the center is composed of all these petals. These are going to be on the outside, these are going to be on the inside. So the first step is to basically connect all of these so that it's one super long line. So I'm going to glue these all together, and then I'm also going to glue these together. So I'm basically going to go from the smallest to the biggest, and all of these little pieces should be kind of pointing in the same direction. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now with my hot glue, and it's going to be really long. Now, before I glue this part on to this little train here, what I want to do is I want to curl the shortest one. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the shortest one because we want those to, you see how these ones kind of, they're kind of hovering towards the center there. We're gonna do the same thing with these shortest ones. And then with these other ones, when we're all finished, I'm going to sort of pull them outward. You'll see what I mean. Tease them a little bit. This just helps to make it look a little bit more realistic. I know this looks really crazy, and you don't have to glue them all together. I just find that it's easier to handle if I'm not constantly having to stop and glue the ends together. Oops, that's not the one that I want. This is the last one. That's the longest one. So we want the middle size to go right there. You want to pay attention to which direction this is going. Okay, so we've got these curled inward. So that means that I need to roll it this way. All right, and what you can use, I find it helpful to use a quilling tool, at least in the beginning, to sort of get it started. If you don't have a quilling tool, you can use tweezers, or you can roll it by hand, or you can tape a couple of toothpicks together and just kind of roll it. Or you can also use Q-tips. Did I say toothpicks? Toothpicks or Q-tips, either one works. And then you just want to roll it, roll it, roll it. So I'm just like rolling this whole thing up, and see what I mean? When it's all one long train, it's just a lot easier, because then you don't have to stop and glue all those pieces together. And it's getting, you can see that it's getting really huge here, which is exactly how we want it to look. Just make sure not to rip it. You gotta be careful. Okay, now we're getting into this. See how I strategically curled it the direction where the those little inner petals are kind of pointing inward. Almost done here. And if this gets too big for your quilling tool, you can kind of just take that off and then just hand roll the rest. Okay, so that's all rolled up nice and tight. And then I'm just going to add some hot glue here. Push it down with my tweezers so I don't burn myself. And then I'm also going to bring this over, and I'm going to go ahead and just put a generous amount of hot glue right here, just to make sure that it kind of helps to secure this properly. And then I'm going to go ahead and press that down. Okay, now right now it looks kind of strange because these outer pieces are kind of sticking straight up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just giving it a second for the glue to cool down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just gently, with my thumb, pull these little petals outward. Just the outside ones. You want to keep the ones that are curled towards the center, leave those alone. We just want the taller ones to kind of get pulled outward. And you see how it's starting to look like a real Gerbera daisy. Isn't that pretty? So the thing I love about Gerbera daisies is they come in all different colors. So this is just a really, really fun and pretty way to kind of brighten up your space. So I hope you guys had fun watching this. Hope you'll try to make one. And if you are in my VIP Crafters Club, I'm just gonna pull these out just a little bit more. Don't forget to post a picture in our group so that I could see your creation of this. If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters. VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.